In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a free YouTube banner for your YouTube channel. But before we get started, on this channel, I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and without any fluff. So if you could please take a moment to go and hit that subscribe button below the video, it would really help me out. With that said, let's get started. So we're going to come over to the website canva.com, and you're going to create a free account in Canva. And then once you've created your free account, you come into the search box here, and we're just going to type in YouTube banner, and we'll click on this one here, and we're going to let the YouTube banners load up. Okay, so it's going to give you a list of templates that you can use for your YouTube banner, and for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use this one here. So you can update your Canva account to a pro account, and that's just going to give you more and more templates to choose from. So I have a pro account. It's because I set it up while I was in Vietnam, it's actually a lot cheaper for me than if I was to set it up in, say, Ireland or the US. So I pay, I think it's only $5 a month or something like that for it. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is more for a travel vlogger type of one, but you can get ones for any niche, any industry, for any type of YouTube channel. So you would, first of all, if you want to delete him and put your own image in there, you would just click on him and go to the delete button here. You would change your name for, let's say, Fergal and Downes. Make that a little bit bigger, and let's make this a little bit bigger as well. So it's totally drag and drop, and you can just edit everything on this image. So click on him, delete him, and put your own image in there. To do that, you would go excuse me, you would go over to the left hand column, and you would click on uploads and upload your own video there. So once you have done with your drag and drop, then what you want to do is after you've done your edits, you just go to the top right hand corner of this screen. You're going to go to download, and then you're going to go to download again, and this is going to download to your desktop. Once you have done that, then you're going to want to upload this to your channel, and the place that you do that is you come over to, let me just find my channel. So you're going to go to view channel. So you're going to be on your channel homepage, right? So you can see it here. This is my channel, Irish Marketer, and I'm just going to go to customize channel from here. Okay, so you're not in your YouTube studio, you're on your actual channel homepage. And once this has loaded up, we're going to go to here. So banner image, this is where you want to upload your banner. So you just go to change or remove. I already have my one in there, so I'm not going to do that right now. But this is where you want to upload your banner in there, and that's it. Then your YouTube banner is ready to go. Now I want to show you a quick little way at the end of this video how to make money with these by creating these for other people. So on Fiverr.com you can get these YouTube, let me type this in here, banners. You can purchase them. Now you can also sell them. So once you know how to do it in Canva for free for yourself, then you can sell them. So you can come over here and you can mimic one of these gigs that are offered and create your own one. You can see that this person has over 1,000 4.9 star reviews for $27. So they made a ton of money by creating these logos or these YouTube banners for people. So you can mimic one of these and you can upload it, and when you get an order, then you just create the YouTube banners in Canva and deliver it to the customer from there. So that's a cool little tip at the end of this video to be able to make money with this method. So that's it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out, and yeah, thanks so much for checking this out.